A friend of mine and I built a custom rank board for our local scout troop. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on the CNC process on how it was done, and that's how we do it. This is just the CNC process of making the acrylic design. I used a 90-degree diamond drag bit and my CNC to etch the 7 scout rank designs into the acrylic. I have included a link below on where to get this specific bit I use. Here I am etching the Eagle Scout rank. All the other ranks were completed in the same manner. The acrylic I'm using is 10 inches by 10 inches square, and I completed the designs in Carbide Create. I do have a video on how I create such a design on a diagonal pattern in Carbide Create. Check out the description box below for the link. When all 7 designs were completed, we placed them on oak stair treads that had been cut to size, beveled, and stained. We used stainless steel standoff screws to attach the acrylic to the oak. I've included a link below on where to get the standoff screws we used. We then attached 2 backing pieces, one in which a keyhole was cut for hanging on the wall, and a second to where we attached eye hooks so we can hang the scouts' names below the ranks. The scouts' names are placed inside a metal name card holder, which are placed on square pieces of pine that have been beveled and stained. Eye hooks are attached on the bottom and hooks attached to the top so they can hang from one another and easily be moved as the scout moves up to the next rank. If you are interested in a more detailed version of this project, please see my video on how I created some wrestling awards. There's a link in the description below. Thanks for joining us today. If you liked what you saw, please hit that like and subscribe button so we can get more content out to you. If you didn't like what you saw, smash that thumbs down button twice to really let us have it. Until next time, this is John for That's How We Do It, brought to you by Rustic American Woodworks.